that?
Oh my God. Pero hindi ko pa naglakad dun sa mga para.
Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. You know. Ito yung ano. May ice cream pala dito, may. Yeah, ice cream. Gelato. Yeah.
Oh, maybe it costs soda.
Ice cream.
Better if it wasn't next to the gelato people.
Gelato. Gelato na.
So I was wondering if,
May tumingin nga dito, may.
you know,
Kung ano yan, mga...
that's how we get, you know, the
Ah. Wow. Man. Oh. Tingin ka. Tingin mo.
I've not seen a whale.
Tumingin ka. Hawakan mo ka to. Ako ba hawak yan eh. Yan o. See?
I would think if there was trying to keep it.
Siya mermaid.
Gusto mo maghanap ng upuan doon? Dito lang dito upuan. Yan, mga libreng upuan.
Kakain na nga tayo. Di ba sabi mo kumain na? Kain tayo na. Ito oh, dinner oh.
Baka may oras dyan eh.
Kung gamitin natin yun, may I'll get the ticket. Oh, mamaya bukas. You want to get that? Ha? Ocean Blue. Ito naman. Ocean Blue.
No, I think we're at 6:30 and then 7 to get off. Yeah, but 7 will be at Boston, 7.
Wow. May pupunta tayo, may. May. Pupunta tayo.